If you're living paycheck to paycheck, staring at bills, wondering which one doesn't get paid this month, this video is for you. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need thousands of dollars. You don't even need to ship anything yourself. Today, I'm going to show you how print on demand, otherwise referred to as POD, can become your first real online income stream, even if you're starting at zero. Print on demand is an online business model where you create a design once and a third-party company prints it on products only after someone buys. No bulk inventory, no packaging, no post office runs. You upload your art or text-based designs to t-shirts, mugs, tumblers, hats, tote bags, stickers, posters, dozens of products. When a customer orders, your POD partner prints, packs, and ships on your behalf. You keep the profit difference. No inventory, no shipping, no big startup costs. You focus on design plus marketing. Why POD works, especially if you're struggling. If you're strapped for cash, risk is everything. POD lets you test ideas for nearly $0. You can launch your first product today with a free design tool and a free marketplace. If a design doesn't sell, delete it and try the next idea. No sunk cost, no full garage of unsold shirts. And it's infinitely repeatable. One design can live across 10+ products and multiple stores. Create once, earn many times. Let's map the POD landscape in plain English. You need 1. A marketplace or storefront where buyers find your products, and 2. A POD provider that prints and ships. You'll also want 3. Design and mock-up tools, and 4. Research tools to pick profitable niches. Let's talk about marketplaces and storefronts. First up, we have Etsy. Etsy offers the fastest path for beginners with built-in traffic, shoppers ready to buy, and is extremely POD friendly. Next is Amazon, merch on demand, which gives access to a massive audience, although tougher approval. Great once you're in. Then we have Redbubble, TeePublic, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, all print-on-demand marketplaces. You upload your designs, they do the rest. Great for stickers and simple designs. Lastly, your own site, Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix. Best for brand control and long-term scaling, but you'll have to drive your own traffic. Now that you have a sense of the marketplace, let's talk about POD providers to print and ship. All of the providers we will touch on are free to join. Printful offers quality products, fast fulfillment, wide catalog, good mock-ups. Printify, aggregator with many print partners, often lower base costs which equates to bigger margins, huge catalog. Gelato, global network, great for international shipping and posters or wall art. Guten, good product range, home goods, blankets, pillows. Teespring, built for creators selling merch, easy setup. Now the fun part, design and mock-up tools. Canva, free. Canva has an outstanding free version that gives you access to a lot of design elements, perfect for text-based designs, simple icons, quick layouts. Kittle, great for t-shirt typography and vintage retro styles, super easy customization. Creative Fabrica, a huge library to elements and designs, also a great source for mock-up templates. Photopea, free, Photoshop-like browser editor. Placeit, or Printful Mockups, beautiful lifestyle mockups that make your listings look premium. Finally, let's touch on research and SEO helpers. Everbee, Etsy Chrome extension. eRank, Marmalade. Research keywords, track demand, spy top sellers on Etsy. Google Trends, see if interest in a theme is rising or falling. Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok. Find vibe and trends before they peak. Products that consistently sell in POD. What's hot and why? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Certain products have reliable demand, year-round or seasonally. Pick from this list to start. 1. T-shirts, unisex and women's. The #1 seller. Works for humor, local pride, occupations, hobbies, faith, pets, sports moms, etc. Text-only designs can win. 2. Mugs and tumblers. Low cost, giftable, huge market. Birthdays, Mother's Day, teacher gifts, office humor, inside jokes. 3. Stickers. Low price, low friction, high volume. Perfect for quotes, pets, plants, fandom, aesthetic vibes. Marketplaces like Redbubble excel here. 4. Hats and beanies. Simple embroidery logos and phrases. Minimalist designs with 1 or 2 words do great. 5. Tote bags, eco-friendly, giftable, perfect canvas for quotes and bold art. 6. posters and wall art motivational quotes, minimalist line art, maps, scripture verses, botanical prints, digital plus physical variants. 7. Hoodies and crew necks, seasonal best sellers in fall, winter, premium pricing. 8. Phone cases, trendy, aesthetic patterns, influencer style. 9. Pillows and blankets, home decor, seasonal designs, Halloween, Christmas, nursery themes, pet portraits. 10. Doormats and metal signs, where available via provider, niche-specific messages, surname personalization, seasonal greetings. Real-world angle. The best-selling designs are not the most complex. They're the most specific. A shirt that says, Dog Mom, sells. A shirt that says, Proud Rescue Pit Bull Mom, often sells better. Niches that work. If you want orders, niche down. Here's a simple method. Identity niches, occupations, nurse, electrician, teacher, roles, mom, dad, grandma, hobbies, gardening, fishing, crochet, pets, breed-specific, faith, Bible verses, fitness, travel, wellness, humor for 40-plus women, coffee lovers, yes, and local pride, city, state. Occasions and seasons, birthdays, holidays, graduations, weddings, new baby, retirements, back to school. Micro-niche formula, identity, interest, plus tone, plus whose occasion. Example, teacher, plus funny. End of year could be a mug that says, I survived your child's math homework. Another example, dog groomer plus cute. Every day could be a tee that says, I speak fluent floof. How to validate quickly. On Etsy, search your theme. Example, Pit Bull Mom Shirt. Filter by top customer reviews to find proven winners. Look for the bestseller badge or in 20-plus carts. Use Everbee or eRank to check keyword volume and listing performance. Scan reviews. What do buyers praise or complain about? Fix those gaps in your design or description. Step by step, launch your first product in a weekend. Here's your simple launch blueprint. Day 1, 1 to 2 hours. Research plus design 1. Pick one niche. Example, motivational mugs for women 40-plus with humor. 2. Study the bestsellers images, listing titles, and descriptions. 3. Find 3 to 5 phrases you'd actually wear or gift. Avoid trademarked terms. 4. Open Canva and create a 4,500 by 5,400 pixel canvas. Great all-purpose size. 5. Use bold, readable fonts. Montserrat, Anton, League Spartan. Pair with a script font sparingly. 6. Make 3 variations. 1 bold text, 1 with small icons, 1 minimal. Pro tip, don't get lost in analysis paralysis. Limit your research time and stick to it. Set a timer to stay on track. Day 2, 1 to 2 hours. Listing plus mockups. 1. Choose a POD provider, Printify, often cheaper base cost, or Printful, premium mockups. 2. Pick a product with solid reviews and good margins. Example, 11-ounce mug, staple tee like Bella, plus canvas 3001. 3. Add your design, export mockups, or use Placeit lifestyle images. 4. Create an Etsy listing with title, SEO, funny motivational mug for women, coffee cup gift, positive quote, birthday gift for best friend. Description, who it's for, why it's great, specs, size, material, care, shipping times, return policy. Tags, 13 keyword phrases. Example, funny coffee mug, gift for best friend, motivation mug, women over 40 gift, etc. 5. Price smart. We'll cover margins next. 6. Hit publish. Pro tip. List 3 to 5 products at once. Example, mug, tote, tee, using the same design to test what buyers prefer. If you've made it to this part of the video, type "Let's go" in the comments. And if you're liking this video so far, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm and makes it possible for us to continue making videos like these that teach you how to be clever and increase your cash flow. Now on with the video, with pricing, profit margins, and what do I actually make? Let's demystify money. Your profit is retail price minus POD base, cost, minus marketplace fees, minus shipping when you pay it. Example, mug, 11 ounces, on Etsy plus Printify. Base cost, approximately $4 to $7, varies by print partner. Etsy listing, transaction, processing fees, approximately 8 to 15% combined, varies by category, PKD, chart region. Retail price, $14.95 to $19.95. Profit range per mug, often $5 to $9 each. Example, tea, Bellapas Canvas 3001. Base cost, approximately $9 to $13. Color effects cost. Retail, $21.95 to $27.95. Profit, $6 to $10 per shirt after fees. Example, hoodie. Base cost, approximately $20 to $28. Retail, $39.95 to $54.95. Profit, $8 to $15 plus per hoodie. Listing SEO that actually works. No fluff. Etsy and Amazon are search engines. To get found, your title should lead with your primary keywords, then add modifiers. Funny dog mom shirt, rescue pit bull tee, cute pet lover gift, women's graphic t-shirt. Listing tags, you should use all available space provided for tags. Etsy allows 13. Include long tails. Example, teacher appreciation mug, Christian wall art print, crochet mom gift. When writing descriptions, write for humans first, search second. Include who it's for, occasions, product specs, shipping expectations, care instructions. Photos and mock-ups are key. It's what people see first. Lifestyle mock-ups convert. Show front, detail close-up, sizing chart, color swatches. Offer variations, sizes, colors. Keep options simple to avoid decision fatigue. Listing renewal. New listings get a small visibility boost. Publish consistently. Example 3 per week. Pro tip. Pull phrases from top sellers without copying. If they use minimalist line art poster, that phrase exists because buyers use it. Creative. That converts. Design principles for non-designers. You don't have to be an artist to sell pod. Follow these 7 rules. 1. Readability wins. Big, bold text. If you can't read it on a phone screen, it won't sell. 2. Contrast is king. Light text on dark tees or dark text on light tees. 3. White space is your friend. Don't cram. Let the message breathe. 4. Limit fonts to 1 or 2. Use 1 bold sans plus 1 accent script. 5. Design for the product. Tall designs for mugs, wider for tees, centered for posters. 6. Emotion beats decoration. If the phrase triggers a smile, pride, or "that's so me," you're close. 7. Test fast. Upload variations. Let the market vote. What's selling now? Proven themes and evergreen winners. If you want momentum this month, aim your designs at buyers who are already searching. Evergreen. Dog or cat moms, gardening, coffee, faith, ENIV verses, nurses or teachers, gym humor, mental health positivity, minimalist aesthetic, college towns, camping, fishing, book lovers, giftable, birthdays by age, 50 and fabulous, wedding party, maid of honor, new baby, girl dad, thank you teacher mugs, seasonal surges, Q4 holidays, Christmas pajamas, ornaments, hot cocoa mugs, gift tags, scripture wall art, family name designs, back to school, teacher shirts or mugs, counselor gear, spring or summer, gardening tees, camping mugs, travel totes. Awareness months, be sensitive and thoughtful. Pro tip, add personalization where possible. Names, dates, hometowns, personalized products rank and convert like crazy because they feel unique and special. Customer experience, shipping, support, and returns. Keep it simple. Your Powdy partner ships, but you set expectations. Shipping times, be honest, typically 2 to 7 business days to produce plus transit time. Read the details your POD partner lists for each item. Policies. Research what other shops in your niche have for their policies. When using POD, be sure to state that items are made to order, returns or exchanges for defects are covered. Messaging. Send a friendly order confirmation and a "your order is on the way" note. Etsy has automations. Quality control. Order a sample of your bestseller so you can photograph it and verify print quality. Support tone, kind, fast, and helpful. One amazing reply can turn a complaint into a 5-star review. Social proof and simple marketing. You can do in 10 minutes a day. Mini marketing tasks that stack. Pinterest pins linking to your Etsy listing. Use Canva templates. Schedule a few each week. Instagram stories, reels with mockups, and UGC-style captions. Which color do you like, black or sand? TikTok quick clips, trending audio plus your product mockup plus overlay text. Email, if you have one. Announce new drops or bundle discounts. Etsy discounts, buy 2, save 10%, or free shipping over $35. You don't need to go viral, just be visible. consistently. Pro tip: use your Save and Share link for your individual Etsy listings to save of selling fees. If someone buys off your link, your fee from Etsy is smaller. Common mistakes that cost beginners sales. Avoid these. Too generic. Dog Mom competes with thousands. Rescue Pitbull Mom is a smaller pond where you can be the big fish. Illegible designs. Fancy script font that nobody can read? Hard pass. Trademark. Copyright issues. Don't use brand names, lyrics, or licensed characters without permission. Low-effort mock-ups. Dark tea on dark background? Buyers scroll past. No research. Uploading random designs is a coin flip. Data beats guessing. Quitting too soon. The first 10 designs are practice. The next 10 start to sell. Pro tip: consistency is key. Keep designing and keep listing. The more items you list, the greater your chances for sales. Your 30-day Change Your Life (POD) plan. Here's a realistic part-time roadmap. Week 1. Pick one niche. Create 10 designs, text-based to go fast. Publish 10 listings on Etsy, 3 to 4 product types. Share 3 Pinterest pins per listing. Use Canva. Week 2. Analyze views and favorites. Improve top 3 listings with better mockups. Add personalizable versions for 2 designs. Publish 5 new designs based on what's getting clicks. Week 3. Launch a mini collection. Example: Plant Mom Spring Set, tea, tote, mug, sticker. Offer a coupon for favorited items. Etsy has this feature. Post 3 short videos, TikTok, IG Reels, with product mockups. Week 4. Double down on what's working, retire what's not. Raise price on best sellers by $1 to $2. Prep seasonal designs for the next quarter. Always be a quarter ahead. Do this for 30 days, and you'll have a real store, real data, and the first real sales without ever touching a shipping box. Be consistent. Mindset: why this can change your life. POD won't make you rich overnight, but it will give you something powerful, and that's control. You're building an asset, designs and listings that keep selling while you sleep. One design can become 50 sales across mugs, tees, totes, and posters. 10 designs can become a part-time income. 50 designs can change your monthly budget. And the best part? You can do this even with an hour a day once you gain momentum. If you're struggling financially, start small, but start today.